Case set is a real example where one has to really interpret the data very well. So first of all, read the question carefully and try to understand the data. Okay. Asim, Ayan and Samantha appeared for the board examination in March 2013. Each of the three students appeared for tests in 6 different subjects, namely Maths, Social Studies, Science, English, Hindi and Commerce. And the following table provides information about the marks obtained by each student in every subject as a percentage of the aggregate marks obtained by that student in all the subjects put together. Try to understand if these marks which are given as a percentage, they are given as a percentage of total marks obtained by them. There are two things. One is total marks obtained by a student, one is the total maximum marks. So there is no discussion about the maximum marks. So if I say that the total marks obtained by Asim is 100, that means that the total 100 is of the marks obtained by him in each of the 6 subjects, the sum of all the 6 subjects. So in that case, the marks obtained by Asim in maths will be 12, social studies would be 20, science 18, English 10, Hindi 24, commerce 16 and so on for Ayan and Samantha. So first of all, to solve this question, let's assume this total figure to be equal to 100A, this equal to 100B and this equal to 100C. Fine. So the sum of all the marks of Asim is 100A, for Ayan it is 100B, for Samantha it is 100C. Okay, next. The marks lost by each of the 3 students in each of the 6 subjects were due to 5 different reasons, namely P, Q, R, S and T. The following bar graph provides information about the marks lost by each student due to each of the mentioned reasons as a percentage of the aggregate marks lost by that student in that subject. This holds true for all the given 6 subjects. This is again very important. One has to understand that carefully. Let's look at the graph first. The graph says that the marks lost by due to reason P is 12%, due to reason Q is 36%, R is 10%, S is 22% and T is 20%. Let's take an example. Marks lost by reason T is 20%. Also, it is mentioned that the marks lost by Asim, Ayan and Samantha in each subject as a percentage of the marks obtained by each one of them in that subject was 40%, 25% and 20% respectively. What is this 40%, 25% and 20%? For Asim, it is 40%. For Ayan, it is 25%. For Samantha, it is 20%. What is this 40, 25 and 20%? They say that, let's take an example. If in social studies the marks scored by Asim is 20%, that is, according to my assumption, it should be 20A. So if marks obtained by Asim is 20A, then the marks lost by Asim in social studies would be 40% of 20A, that is 8A. Fine. In the similar way, if the marks obtained by Ayan in maths is 10B, so in that case the marks lost by Ayan in maths will be 2.5B, that is 25% of 10B. Similarly, if the marks obtained by Samantha in English is 16C, so the marks lost by Samantha in English would be 20% of 16C, that is 3.2C. Again, since I've taken an example of Asim and the marks lost by him in social studies, the marks lost by him in social studies is 8A, that is 40% of 20A. So 8A can be broken down into these 5 things. That means 12% of 8A is lost by reason P, 36% of 8A is lost by reason Q, 10% of 8A is lost by reason R and so on. Let's move forward to the questions. If the marks lost by Asim, Samantha and Ayan in English were the same, then the marks lost by Ayan in science due to reason R as a percentage of total marks obtained by Asim in all the subjects together was. First of all, let's find out what is the marks lost by Asim, Samantha and Ayan in English. Marks lost by Asim in English, lost by Ayan in English, lost by Samantha in English. Let's find it out. Marks obtained by Asim in English is 10A. So the marks lost by him in English should be 4A. Marks obtained by Ayan in English is 24B. This is 24B. That means marks lost by Ayan in English must be 6B, that is 25% of 24B. Next, marks obtained by Samantha in English is 16C. So marks lost by Samantha in English should be 3.2C. Now I know that 4A is equals to 6B is equals to 3.2, or A is to B is to C is equal to 12 is to 8 is to 15. I can assume A as 12K, B as 8K and C as 15K. This is what I have right now. Fine. So everything here will become equal to 48K, 48K or 48K, although this data is not required, but still. Now, the marks lost by Ayan in science. Let's go to the next data. Marks lost by Ayan in science. Marks obtained by Ayan in science is 36B. Fine. So marks obtained by Ayan in science should be 25% of 36B. That is 25% of 36B. That is 9B. So marks lost by Ayan in science due to reason R. Now 9B is the total marks lost by him. Now due to reason R he lost 10% of his. So due to reason R would be 9B into 10% of it, that is 9 by 10B, as the percentage of total marks obtained by Asim in all the subjects together. We know that the total marks obtained by Asim in all the subjects put together is 100A. So basically we have to find out 9B by 10 whole divided by 100A. Putting the value of B and A, 9 into 8K divide by 10 into 100 into 12K. K and K is cancelled out. 9 into 8 is 72. It will get cancelled 6 times. This will get cancelled. So this is 6 by 1000 or 0.6%. Hence the answer is option B. Next question. Given that the marks obtained by Asim in maths were not less than the marks obtained by Ayan in social studies, let's find out. Marks obtained by Asim in maths and marks obtained by Ayan in social studies. Let's find out. Marks obtained by Asim in maths would be 12A. Marks obtained by Ayan in social studies would be 10B. So I'll write it here, 12A and 10B. So they are saying that 12A was not less than 10B. That means it was either equal to or greater than 10B. I have equation 1. Fine. Next, the marks obtained by Ayan in English. Marks obtained by Ayan in English were not less than the marks obtained by Samantha in Hindi. Marks obtained by Samantha in Hindi. Let's figure out what are the marks obtained by them. Marks obtained by Ayan in English is 24B. We have already seen that. And marks obtained by Samantha in Hindi will be 10C. So this is 24B and this is 10C. So it says that marks obtained by Ayan in English were not less than the marks obtained by Samantha in Hindi. That means 24B was either equal to or greater than 10C. This is my equation 2. I'll merge these two equations. 12A is greater than equal to 10B. I'll try to make this 10B as 24B. To make this I have to multiply it by 24 divided by 10. So this will also get multiplied by 24 divided by 10. This will give me 288 upon 10A greater than equal to 24B, and this I can merge with the second equation which will give me greater than equal to 10C. Fine. This is the equation I have, the relation between A, B and C. If the marks obtained by Samantha in commerce were 144, then what could be the minimum marks obtained by Asim in science? Marks obtained by Samantha in commerce. Marks obtained by Samantha in commerce was, this is equal to 24C. So I can say that 24C is equal to 144 or C is equal to 6. Fine. Now it is asking me the minimum marks obtained by Asim in science. Marks obtained by Asim in science is 18A. So I have to find out the minimum value of 18A. Now I know that 288 divided by 10A is greater than or equal to 10C. Fine. Or putting the value of 10C, solve it here. 288 divided by 10A is greater than equal to 60, or A is greater than equal to 600 upon 288, and I know that I have to find out 18A. 18A is greater than equal to 600 upon 288 into 18. Solving this, what I'll get is 18A is greater than or equal to 37.5. Hence, the minimum value is 37.5. That is option D. Given that the marks obtained by Asim in maths were not less than the marks obtained by Ayan in social studies, and the marks obtained by Ayan in English were not less than the marks obtained by Samantha in Hindi. This is the same situation that we had in the previous question. So I'll copy this equation itself here. That is 288 by 10A is greater than equal to 24B is greater than equal to 10C. Now, if the marks lost by Ayan in English due to reason Q were 45, let's figure out what is the marks lost by Ayan in English. Ayan got 24B marks in English. Ayan got 24B marks in English. So, marks lost by Ayan in English would be equal to 25% of 24B, that is 6B, and these marks lost by due to reason Q would be 36%. So I have to find out 36% of 6B. Fine, and this is given as equal to 45. On solving this, I'll get B is equal to 125 by 6. Fine. Now, then the marks lost by Samantha in maths due to reason T could not be more than. I have to find out marks lost by Samantha in maths. Samantha got 20 C marks in maths. So Samantha marks lost by Samantha in maths is equal to 20 C, 20% of 20 C, that is 1 by 5 or 4 C, and the out of the total marks lost by Samantha in maths, due to reason T, she lost 20%. So, sorry, I have to further take 20% of it, that is 1 by 5. So, I have to find the value of maximum value of 4C by 5. I know that B is 125 by 6. So, I can say that 24 into 125 by 6 is greater than equal to 10C, or 500 is greater than equal to 10C. This implies 50 is greater than equal to C. I have to find out 4 by 5C. So 50 into 4 by 5 is greater than equal to 4 by 5C. So 40 is greater than equal to 4 by 5C. So this is my answer. The marks lost by Samantha in maths due to reason T could not be more than 5.